How to change Taobao to English on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Chrome browser on your device and on the search bar, just search for Taobao application. And as you tap on that, you'll be able to see the official website of the Taobao application. So just tap on it. And as you can see, this is the home screen of the Taobao application. It's all in Chinese, so we cannot understand what is what and what means what. So all we have to do is just tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, and then you can see the option of translate. Tap on it and it will detect it and convert it into English. And there you go, you can see all these Chinese converted or translated into English right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.